Hi, I'm Jack Holsconnect. I'm with Compliance Resource. I wanted to talk to you for just a couple of minutes about flood insurance issues. On May 11th, a group of federal agencies, the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System, the Farm Credit Administration, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the National Credit Union Administration, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, these agencies jointly issued revised questions and answers regarding flood insurance, regarding both the law and the implementing regulations for flood insurance. These questions had not been updated since 2011, 11 years without an update. In that 11-year period, the flood laws were changed a couple of times. There were multiple revisions to the regulations. Some of the existing questions were wrong because of the changes in law and regulation. If you pulled the current questions and did exactly what they told you to do, you would be in violation of law and regulation in some cases. They desperately needed updating. Well, now they have been updated. This is definitely a case of better late than never, all right? All right, so we got it. And what we have, there are now 140 questions. It's a 263-page document. They break the information down into 19 different sections. As you might expect, we got rules on escrowing for flood insurance, the detached structure exemption, forced placing insurance, private flood insurance, and obviously a whole lot more. There are 19 sections. We at Compliance Resource, we're going to bring you some training on this. We've developed a manual, a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to have a program on June 8th covering the regulations, or the new Q's and A's. Now, if you do the math, you go 140 questions, he's going to talk for 2 hours. You can't really cover 140 questions thoroughly in 2 hours. We're not going to try to cover all of them. Some of them are old questions that haven't changed, so you should be familiar with that. Some of them are old questions that have been updated. We'll cover those. And then there are some that are brand new we never had before, and of course we'll be covering those. So it's going to be a very packed program. We'd love to have you join us. Brent is now going to give you some more information about the program. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jack. And as Jack mentioned, our Implementing the New Interagency Flood Insurance Questions and Answers webinar will take place on June 8th from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. If you go to our website, jackscomplianceresource.com, you'll see it right there on our homepage. All you have to do is click the To Register button. It'll take you to the registration page. You can fill out all of your information, and from there, it's a simple checkout process to get registered for the webinar. If you're viewing this video following the completion of the webinar after June 8th, the link to the webinar recording will be posted in the description below. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you on June 8th.